Let's break down the pronunciation of the word zebra slowly. Zebra, pronounced as zebra. The Z sounds like Z in Zeppelin. The bra sounds like bruh in brother. For the Z sound, create a buzzing sound between the tongue and the upper front teeth, producing a voiced alveolar fricative. For the bruh sound, produce a clear B sound followed by R, where the R is a voiced alveolar approximant and is a simple and neutral sound. Teacher, let's start with the Z sound. Create a buzzing sound between the tongue and the upper front teeth, Z. Students practice the Z sound. Now the bruh sound, clear B followed by R. Good. Now let's put it all together. Zebra. Practice the full word. Now let's say it together. Zebra. Zebra. The zebra is a striped herbivorous mammal native to Africa, known for its distinctive black and white stripes. Zebras often travel in groups called dazzles for protection against predators.